Good morning, everyone. Wishing all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day. On this special day, I would like to thank you all for all the efforts you have put into the making our children better, and you all are guiding them. Then you are making them a good human being, and you are giving them a life lesson too. So, I am wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, thanking you all for all the efforts and all the hard work you all are doing. We all know that it's very difficult whenever we were in the class. The class teaching was totally different, and the online teaching is a different part. But somehow the other way that we can see that it makes us better. Yes, right? We have learned many things. So thanks. We will love on if we will see the positive side of this epidemic. So now we will know the function of Zoom. Now we can make the Google form. So if we will say that, yeah, we are better person now, and it's very easy for us. Yes, we can deal with the online teaching. Now I would like to hand over to, yes, Principal Ma'am. Would you like to say something to us?
Everyone, a very happy Teachers' Day. 2020 has brought lot of difference into everything, and this time the Teachers' Day also is virtual. Every time it has been so much fun, but at least it has made us realize that how much better we were, but we don't value those things. And after that, when the changeover comes up, then of course the comparison is there. So along with good, something different or lesser than that is also there, so that we can realize the gifts and the blessings that are around us all the time. We keep on ignoring them maybe. And this is the time when it has given us a lot of realization about the importance of each other. We have started valuing each other, I think, much more, missing each other, missing those moments that we have spent together at school, the old memories, and what all we could do this year. All that has been, I think, put into pending. So maybe the next year, those all things can be possible, but let us be happy with whatever little we have. And actually yesterday, nothing was planned out. We were not, we were waiting that maybe some response will come from the students, but students are students. So I felt that let us not miss the fun of everyone. And then the circular came from CBSE that we can, we have to have some or the other program, either physically in school also it had said, but then that I didn't want in school. Also, it has not been long that we have lost our one of the founders, Sir Ehsan Khan, who had himself been always very much interested in all these programs. Earlier, when I had joined, I remember how he used to be there every time. And we used to keep on inquiring about what all is happening and what all are we planning. So, of course, I do miss him in this program also today. So, finally, then, I think quite late, I had informed that let us have it virtually. And at a short notice, whoever I could remember, those all names we have put up for presentations also. But then whoever, I don't know everybody's talent still. So there is always to discover, and many of us have been able to discover ourselves during the lockdown. So whatever discoveries you have made about yourself during lockdown, you can present it here, share it with us, and we will love to give any amount of time today. We would love to see you presenting whatever suitable for the day you can. So everybody is most welcome to give their presentations. Because see, if we remember Dr. Radhakrishnan, he said that education is not bookish. It is beyond academics. It is beyond perfection. A teacher is not just by being into a school or college. I always consider my mother to be my first teacher. And for that, She didn't have to go to any school or to be associated with any formal teaching. So our mother, maybe father, maybe elder sister, elder brother, uncle or auntie, whoever, everybody in some way or the other has been teaching us informally throughout life. So I consider that we need to consider this day to pay our tributes to all of them. So keeping that in mind, the words of Dr. Radhakrishnan, that education is beyond the bookish academic knowledge or profession. It needs to be brought in every manner, every moment we should be a learner. And learning never ends. Throughout the life, we should consider ourselves to be in the process of learning something or the other. And then, of course, we will be still young and we will feel that, okay, we are still like a student. So if you want to feel young and you want to feel energetic, my message is this only, that feel young at heart. Maybe physically we are growing old and older day by day, but the heart remains young and we can be into any kind of activities. So this day, on the Teachers' Day occasion of 2020, I wish each and every teacher present here, each and every mother, sister, brother, all of you may get the blessings of God on this day. And let us pray that maybe the coming days, the coming years may become much, much better than 2020. So whatever troubles have come this year, may they all come to an end so that we can be moving on into a brighter future, into better times. So may God bless everyone, all of us, and let's proceed with the program that we have today with whatever last minute preparations from everyone, and thoroughly we are going to enjoy it out. So let's enjoy the program today. Over to Surbhi and our team who is managing the program today. And thank you so much for taking up the initiative at a short notice. Have a good day, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parbrahm, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Govindau khade काके लागे पाँव, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंदियो बताए। इस अवसर पर मैं एक बात छोटी सी और कहूंगी कि गुरु की कोई उम्र नहीं होती। अगर आप अपने से छोटे उम्र के व्यक्ति से भी कुछ सीख सकते हैं तो वह आपका गुरु है। इसी बात के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगी। धन्यवाद एवरीवन। एंजेला।
जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दूं, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, हम ये जाने वाला है आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा नहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा नहीं, वहाँ दास्ता मिले लम्हा मिला नहीं, थोड़ा सा हंसा के थोड़ा सा रुला के, थोड़ा सा हंसा के थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल ये भी जाने वाला है आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है हाँ। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए कारवां बढ़ता गया।
वाह 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 वेरी गुड। वन मोर, आई नो यू हैव अ डायरी एक और हो जाए।
No, right now I don't have diary. Okay. गलत थे वादे मगर मैं यकीन रखता था, गलत थे वादे मगर मैं यकीन रखता था, वो शख्स लहजा बड़ा दिल नशी रखता था।
ओहो
कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा O Hamnawa. Thank
The song is, we are going to the party, we are going to the fair to see the senorita with flowers in the hair. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it.
You shake it if you
If you
can.
can.
You shake it
Shake
like
it
a
like a
milkshake. You
milkshake.
shake it. If you shake it, if you can, you ruffle to the bottom, you ruffle to the top,
The top.
you dancing, 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 till you have a stop. Thank you.
चिंता करके क्या पाएगा, मरने से पहले मर जाएगा। सुनियो गाना फिर गाएगा कि जिले जिले खाले पिले चिंता करके, हाँ 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 जिले मेरे यार, हाँ 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 जिले मेरे यार, ना 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 जिले मेरे यार, ओ ओ ओ जिले मेरे यार। सुनिए गाना काम आएगा, दिल के जिले जी जाएगा। सो खाले पीले चिंता करने का नहीं, हाँ 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 खुल के जी ले यार। I hope you all have enjoyed this program. We tried our best. Time was very less to arrange all of the things, but thank you our principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am to give us chance. Farina ma'am, thank you ma'am for celebrating this Teachers Day like this, and we had great fun, enjoyed a lot. I'd like to thank from all the teachers who came here, give your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. All those who presented whatever little bit here and there. So this time it has been possible only in this manner, that a short and sweet program we have been able to enjoy. Thank you, everybody, for being a part of it. And let us pray and hope that the coming time is to be much, much better for all of us. A very happy Teachers' Day to everybody. May God bless you all, your families, and everything should remain good and fine for everybody. It's a tough time, yes, but the ups and downs of life are there always, and like every other time, this time also will pass out. And when we are together, holding hands, I'm sure we are there for each other. This is what we can say, and the things will definitely become fine. The good times when we meet again, definitely it will be better. So my good wishes to each and everyone here, and blessings for everybody. Thank you.